The Senate shall elect in the manner provided, herein provided, a President, President pro tempore, Secretary, Sergeant of Arms. These officers shall take their oath. Okay. The officers shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Okay? So, Senate Secretary, OSAA, Sergeant at Arms, pro tempore, and President, kailangan 13 ang boto. 13 ang boto. May 13 boto ba kapon? Ano po ang sabi ng Section 10? The term of office of the President, at sa ngayon po ako yon, the President pro tempore, na sa ngayon si Senator Loren Legarda yon, the Secretary and the Sergeant of Arms shall begin upon their election and shall end when their successors shall have been elected. O, i-assume nyo na. Hindi ko sinasabing tama ha, mali yung ginawa nila kapon. I-assume nyo na 100% tama yun. I-assume nyo. Did they elect my successor? Kayo sumagot. Did they elect a Senate President? So ano sabi Section 10? And when their successor shall be elected. They did not elect my successor. So I am still Senate President.